Hello everybody, welcome back to another edition of Vijeo Designer Training. I'm your host, Leandro Armada, and in this video what we're going to see is how we can export the project and where the main file for the project are located in our PC. So let's go to the software. So as soon as you create a project on Vijeo Designer, internally in your PC, the files are located in one specific area. Okay. So in this particular case, I'm using Vijeo Designer Basic 2.0. So those files are located in here. So you just need to go to See users, and then just need to find the public documents or documents in your PC, and you need to find for this one of these Vijeo Designer or Vijeo Designer Basic. So in my case I have Vijeo Designer Basic 2.0, and inside the Vijeo Manager you will have a folder for each project that you have created. Okay, some customers share this and you just to see there is nothing exportable. So we have a few things that we just need the Vijeo Designer to open and understand it. So you can share the whole folder, okay, or make a backup of the folder in case you want to. Make the backup of this and then using another PC and put the same folders on the other PC. That's one option. Okay. Probably if you have multiple projects, this would be the best way. Okay. But other way is to export the project not from here using the Vijeo Designer. So if you go to right click, you have possibility to export the project. So if you export the project, it will generate the VDZ file. Okay. And then what you need to do is to import it back. So in this case, I have exported this one. So I'm going to create a new folder. And inside the folder, I'm going to import that one. It's successfully imported, and you can see it's here. Now, if we go back to the manager, the new folder is added, and you have this one. Okay, you can share this, but I strongly recommend to export the VDZ. Okay. Yeah, and also if you create a folder here, this one should be also updated. Just open Vijeo Designer Basic. We should have that folder something new. Cancel something new there. Okay. So this is how you can export a project. Okay, and how you can share from the location of the project itself. Okay. So the best way to share a project will be to export the project using the VDZ and the command from the Vijeo Designer, but you can also make some backups of the project that you have, go into the folder where the project is located and then zip it and then reshare it with another customer or with another colleague. It's up to you what to do with it. Okay, or backup. Usually when I need to transfer from different files from different PCs, I make a copy of what is inside this, and then I put it in the other PC. Okay, so this is how we can make the exported VDZ file. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I see you on the next one.